Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Today so far we've seen risk markets start the week very strongly, and we're looking at the Australian USD right now. And even after comments out of the RBA from Governor Lowe this morning that they wouldn't mind seeing the AUD lower, it hasn't really had any influence at all at this stage on the AUD, as it continues to track higher to the USD and to the JPY, and we are watching a bit of a support hold right here. So that low hold we're looking to become confirmed support, and if we do see a close higher today, and then we may finally see what we were looking for last week, and that's a new rally continuation. So we can see a higher low setting up here on the AUD USD daily, and if we do see, like I said before, a close today higher and then a new test and move higher tomorrow, this could be the start of a continuation, and we'll be looking for a trend break as well. Now, the other market we are keeping an eye on today, and we were really looking for this to develop and confirm last week, was a continuation lower on the USDCAD. So we did see a close higher after a failed move lower on Friday, but today so far we've seen the opposite. At this point we've seen a failed move higher turning into a move lower. So this still keeps in play with a lower high following up from that lower high, and then a possible continuation in this current downtrend. So what we are looking for is risk markets to continue higher, and we're looking for the dollar CAD to close lower and signify that maybe sellers are in control now after that 3-day rally last week. We can also see the Williams has now moved under the -50, which also supports possibility of a new move lower. But primarily we need to see price confirm that with a close lower, and then tomorrow see a further confirmation with an extension lower. But at the moment it's very early days, so we're still an hour and a bit away from the European Open today, and then just over 2 hours away from the London Open. So a lot can happen once those markets come online, and Asian sessions are renowned for sometimes giving a bit of false direction. But so you just have to really wait and see how things go once true peak liquidity starts coming onto the market, and to maybe gauge the real direction of sentiment for the day. So we'll just touch again. So we're looking at a continuation on the dollar CAD lower, and then the possibility of a continuation higher on the Aussie and on the Aussie yen. And just looking over at the euro, so we don't really have a good pattern here to signify possibly continuation, and that is quite a deep retracement. So we will just have to see what happens tomorrow if we do see a good solid bar higher to close today on the Euro USD, and we'll follow that with more buying tomorrow to start thinking about possible continuation or a new uplift higher. Now with the dollar CAD, a little bit also comes down to with oil. Now at the moment oil is lower, so it's primarily USD weakness at the moment, but to help the case, we would like to see oil maybe have another shot at this high that was set in June 8, but right now we are seeing a bit of treading water from buyers and sellers with not too much movement at the moment, and just that failed attempt on Friday, which pulled back after testing it. So the only other market we are keeping an eye on at the moment is gold. Now gold's made a break back above 1750. This is quite important, as that level is top of a range, and if we do see a close above 1750 today, that's quite bullish, and we would also like to see possibly a close above 1753, and that could be setting up a new move up to test that 1765 high we saw back on the 18th of May. So gold's definitely one to keep a bit of an eye on to see if this current move has a bit more to run, and if we could see a new shot at the highs. So that's it for today. There's no key news or data coming out in tonight's London session, and the main key piece of local data was at 9 AM this morning, and that was the Governor Lowe speaking. So until tomorrow, have a fantastic trading day, and bye for now.